For centuries, it has stood as a testament to human determination, a colossal barrier winding through mountains, deserts, and valleys. This is the Great Wall of China, one of the most remarkable structures in history. But how did this wall came to be? What stories of ambition, war, and resilience are woven into its ancient stones? A wall against invasion, our journey begins over 2700 years ago, in a time of chaos and war. During China's warring state period 475 to 221 BCE, powerful kingdoms fought for dominance. To defend their lands from rival states and the fearsome northern nomadic tribes, these kingdoms built walls of tamed earth and wood. Each kingdom erected its own defenses, but these were separate and unconnected. Then in 221 BCE, a ruler rose to power destined to unify China, Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor. After conquering the warring states, he sought to fortify his newly established empire. He ordered the connection and expansion of the existing walls, creating the earliest version of what would become the Great Wall. This was not the stone wall we see today, but an enormous earthen barrier, stretching thousands of kilometers, constructed by soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. Many labored and perished under brutal conditions. It was a wall built on both sweat and sacrifice. After the fall of the Qin dynasty, the Han dynasty took up the task of fortifying China's northern frontier. Emperor Han Wudi expanded the wall even further to protect against the powerful Xiongnu, a nomadic confederation that threatened Chinese borders. Under the Han, watchtowers and beacons were added, allowing defenders to signal warnings across great distances using smoke and fire. For centuries, the wall remained a symbol of defense, but it was not until the Ming dynasty that it took the form we recognize today. The Ming emperors, facing constant threats from the Mongols, rebuilt and reinforced the wall using bricks and stone, making it stronger and more enduring. It was during this period that the wall became the mighty structure we now marvel at, stretching over 21,000 kilometers, 13,000 miles across rugged landscapes. The Ming also built fortresses, garrisons, and massive watchtowers along the wall, creating a formidable military defense system. But despite its grandeur, the wall could not always stop invasions. In 1644, the Manchus from the north breached the wall, leading to the fall of the Ming and the rise of the Qing dynasty. Over time, as warfare evolved, the Great Wall lost its military purpose, but it remained a symbol of China's resilience. Today, it is one of the most famous landmarks in the world, attracting millions of visitors who talk its ancient paths, imagining the warriors and workers who once stood atop its battlements. A saying in China goes, "He who has never been to the Great Walls is not a true hero." It stands not just as a wall of stone, but as a story of perseverance, ambition, and the enduring spirit of a civilization. And so the Great Wall of China remains, watching over time, whispering the secrets of emperors, warriors, and generations who built, defended, and walked its legendary path.